No matter where your score ends up after your bankruptcy filing, you can start rebuilding your credit right away. To do so, many people get a secured credit card or they take out a credit builder loan. Not only can people rebuild their credit quickly, many people are surprised to see that they get credit card or loan offers in the mail shortly after they file bankruptcy. These can help you rebuild your credit, but you'll need to use them wisely. Many post-bankruptcy credit offers come with a steep interest rate. It's usually best to only take on new credit that you can afford to pay off regularly. This way, you get the credit score boosting benefits of having a good repayment history and you can avoid taking on costly new debt right after you've gotten financial freedom.